Hey, sweet faces. Welcome to this week's homework where we have jumped ahead to adding whole numbers because you have shown that your brain is absolutely ready to try some harder concepts. So we are going to take a look at our first problem and we are going to work our way through. Remember, when we're adding, we start at the ones place and we're always looking to see if we have any tens to carry over. So we start with 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 gives us 12. I write down my 2. I carry my 10. 3 plus 2 is 5, and my carry makes 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. My first answer is 562. Problem number 2. Again, I'm starting with my ones place. 2 plus 9 is 11. Carry. 4 plus 2 is 6. Add my carry is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. Question number 2, 871. Question number 3, 594 plus 312. 4 plus 2 is 6. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry my 10. 5 plus 3 is 8. Add 1 is 9. 906. Question number 4. 5 and 3 give us 8. 9 and 6 is 15. Remember, if we take 1 from that 6, we can make a 10. It's an easier way to group these in our head. 5 plus 2 is 6. Add 1 is 7. Or I'm sorry, 5 plus 2 is 7. Add 1 is 8. 858. 535 plus 449, starting in the ones place. 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 plus 3 is 7. Add 1 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. 984. And the last question for this one, 164 plus 553. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry. 5 plus 1 is 6. Add my carry is 7. That brings us to the end of our first page. Please feel free to rewatch this if this would be helpful. And you can stop here if you are done checking this homework. All right, sweet faces, we are on to page 2 of our work from this week. Again, we are still adding whole numbers, taking a look at question number 1, which is 573 plus 134. Let's jump in, starting at the ones place. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. I write down my 0. I carry. 5 plus 1 is 6. Add my carry is 7. First question is 707. Question number 2, 455 plus 484. Starting in the ones place, 5 plus 4 is 9. 8 plus 5 is 13. I carry. 4 plus 4 is 8. Add 1 is 9. 939. Moving down to question number 3. 882 plus 195. Here we go. Starting in the ones place, 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 8 is 17, and I carry. 8 plus 1 is 9. Add my carry is 10. Don't forget our comma. 1077. Moving on to question number 4, 663 plus 273. Starting in the ones place, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. I carry. 6 plus 2 is 8. Add 1 is 9. 936. Moving down to question number 5. 278 plus 316. 8 plus 6 is 14. I carry. 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. Remember, if it's sticky, if your fingers and your toes and your nose, always use your strategies. We can always count up on our fingers if we are unsure. Last one for this page, 366 plus 570. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. I carry. 5 plus 3 is 8. Add 1 is 9. That brings us to the end of our second page. Please go ahead and stop here if you are done checking this homework. All right, sweet faces, on to page number 3 for this week, zooming into question number 1, which is 183 plus 393. Here we go. 3 plus 3 is 6. 8 plus 9 is 17. I carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. Add 1 is 5. 576. Moving over to question number 2. 332 plus 514, starting in the ones place. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 5 is 8. 846. Moving on to question number 3. 599 plus 285, starting in our ones place. 9 plus 5 is 14. Remember, think if I pull 1 from my 5 to make this into a 10, this is an easy way to group in my head when I'm dealing with 9s. 9 plus 8 is 17. Add my carry, 18. 2 plus 5 is 7. Add 1 is 8. 884. Moving on to question number 4. Remember, if at any time this is too fast, feel free to pause and rewatch if need be. Let's add. 4 plus 7 is 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. Add 1 is 12. 3 plus 3 is 6. Add 1 is 7. 721. Last two on this page. 235 plus 331, starting in the ones place. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 3 is also 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 566. And the last one for this page. 533 plus 154, starting in the ones place. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. Last question, 687. This is the last question on page number 3. So if you are done checking these, please stop your video. All right, Nuggets, last page for the week. If you made it this far, congratulations. You are doing an amazing job practicing your skills. Let's start in the ones place and work through our last 6 questions of the week. 2 plus 8 is 10. We carry. 6 plus 3 is 9. Add 1 is 10. We carry. 4 plus 1 is 5. Add 1 is 6. This is a nice even 600. Question number 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. We carry. 6 plus 3 is 9. Add 1 is 10. We carry. 4 plus 3 is 7. Add 1 is 8. 802. Question number 3. 550 plus 364. 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 plus 6 is 11. We carry. 5 plus 3 is 8. Add 1 is 9. 914. Question number 4. 334 plus 307, starting in the ones place. 3 plus 7 is 10. Oh my goodness, my pen just changed on me. It's 10. We carry. 4 plus 1 is 5. Add 0 stays 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. This gives us 650. 2 more nuggets. We're almost there. 218 plus 595. 8 plus 5 is 13. We carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. Add 1 is 11. We carry. 5 plus 2 is 7. Add 1 is 8. 813. And our last one for this week, 109 plus 864. 9 plus 4 is 13. We carry 0 plus 6 is 6. Add 1 is 7. 1 plus 8 is 9. 973. That brings us to the last question on this page. This is the end of our homework review for this week. Have an amazing weekend.